Yeah, this is 4 gigahertz antenna trainer. This antenna trainer has got a transmitter coming from RF out connected to a dipole antenna, a receiver connected to RF in, and a Yagi antenna connected to it. This is a manual tripod with 0 to 360 degree graduation. In stepper motor control system, there is a stepper shaft which is connected here, and the antenna can be connected here. But this is a video for manual antenna trainer. In manual antenna trainer, we will rotate the antenna in 5-degree steps and log the reading using this switch connected to the back panel where is a BNC trigger in. And every time we rotate the antenna, we click this button and the reading will be recorded. Now we'll understand the operation of transmitter and receiver. There are 5 switches: up, down, escape, menu, enter. Right now it is showing FREQ frequency equal to 3800 megahertz. 0001 stands for memory location. Always start the instrument with memory 1 location, so that the readings of antenna in 5-degree mode will be 72 readings, which will equivalent to 360 degrees. M stands for manual. This can be changed to A, which is auto mode. Right now, with a dipole antenna connected at RF out and a Yagi antenna connected at RF in, it is reading 60.5 dB microvolt. Now, for taking plot, press menu once, twice. M will toggle, change it to A and press enter. Now what we will do is, as you can see on the display, the memory is 1. We will rotate the antenna by 5 degree and record the reading. It has come to memory location 2, 3. So we keep rotating the antenna by 5 degree and the reading will keep advancing. After taking 72 readings like that, we will convert this, change the M auto mode to manual mode, and then we will press menu, and when the menu shows serial mode equal to yes, we will press enter, and the USB cable from the back has to be connected to the software, and it will upload all the 72 readings into the software, which will be displayed in the software.